Ever feel like your bank account is playing hide and seek with money? And it's winning?
Well, what if I told you that artificial intelligence isn't just for tech bros anymore?
Stick around because I'm about to show you how to turn AI into your personal money-making bestie. And the best part?
It won't cost you a dime to start. Welcome to From Neuro to Nova, where the journey from knowledge to brilliance begins.
I'm your AI-obsessed friend, who's about to show you how to turn those I should start a side hustle thoughts into actual money in your pocket. And no, this isn't one of those videos where I tell you to sell your grandma's vintage collection on eBay.
Let's get real for a second. The job market in 2025 is about as stable as a Jenga tower in an earthquake. But here's the plot twist. While some doors are closing, AI is basically installing a whole new house of opportunities.
First up, becoming an AI content wizard.
And no, you don't need to be Shakespeare's long-lost cousin.
Let me show you the exact free tools you need to start making money with AI writing today. The best part? You can start this without spending a single penny. Here's what you need to know. AI writing tools are like having a team of writers in your pocket.
They can help you create blog posts, social media content, and even full-length articles.
But here's the secret sauce. It's not about letting AI do all the work. It's about knowing how to guide it.
Think of it like being a movie director. You're not the one acting, but you're the one making the magic happen.
That's exactly what you'll be doing with AItools. You'll learn which prompts get the best results, how to edit AI-generated content to sound more human, and most importantly, how to find clients who need your services. Speaking of clients, they're everywhere. From small business owners who need blog posts to entrepreneurs who need social media content. And guess what? Most of them don't even know these AI tools exist. That's where you come in. Let me break down exactly how much you can make. Starting out, you can easily charge £30 or £50 for a basic blog post that takes you less than an hour to create with AI. Do 3 of those a day, and you're looking at some serious side income.
But wait, there's more. The second AI side hustle is even better. Ever heard of AI voiceover work?
No, you don't need a golden voice. AI does all the talking for you. All you need is the right prompts and a bit of creativity.
And for our third moneymaker, AI image generation. Remember when creating custom images meant either being an artist or paying one? Those days are gone. Now you can create stunning visuals with just a few words. Perfect for social media managers, small businesses, or even your own digital products.
Here's your action plan for tomorrow.
1. Pick your favorite hustle from these 3. 2. Sign up for the free tools I mentioned. 3. Create your first sample. 4. Find your first client. I'll show you exactly where to look. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday, but the second best time is right now. Don't let those AI opportunities slip away while others are already cashing in.
Hit that subscribe button if you want more AI money-making secrets. Next week, we're diving into something even bigger. This is From Neuro to Nova, where the journey from knowledge to brilliance is happening right now. And I'll see you in the next video.